Okay, my Badboy mower, when I turn the key, I get nothing. It's been on charge, so I don't think it's the battery. Turn the key, nothing. Okay, so lift the seat up. I had added this solenoid. It wasn't the right one, but I added it. So what you want to do is take a screwdriver or anything metal really, and just try to jump the two leads. Okay, so now I know the battery's good and the starter's good. I'm not sure if you can see, but if you look, there's only one small wire going to it. So that's going to be connected to the switch, and it is requiring a ground to complete that circuit to close the relay. So just to do a quick test, I'm just gonna tap it with a hammer just to see if I can get a good ground and get it to crank over. Yep, it's acting like it's just not getting a good ground. You hear it trying? Okay, so what I'm going to do is tighten the bolt up a little bit and see if I can get it to work. Hello, Dave here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, I tightened up the bolt. I'm not sure if you can see it. That connects it to the frame. And now when I turn the key, it turns out just that little test I did before by jumping the solenoid basically killed the battery. So I have it on a charger. I'm just going to replace the battery.